Going out there, Brian back here with the Veracity update. All right, I'm looking for a temporary pullback here. All right, possibly down to that 618 at 0.0062. That would usually a 618 or 702 is usually your pullback level here. All right, that 702 is at 0.0058. The reason I say that, okay, the weekly. Let's open this up. All right, that weekly RSI has flipped bearish. All right, you can see it here. It's at a 82, 82 and a 91. All right, it has rolled over a little bit, so could be getting a pullback here. The monthly still heading up, and the daily is reset. Okay, now that daily could end up just rolling over here and coming down and getting this correction over with. The other reason the 12-hour is just about the top, an 81 and a 76. The 8-hour is at an 87 and an 82. Still bullish, okay? This still could get a little push up, but I believe it's coming down, right? The 4-hour is getting up there. No major moves here. You know, that 4-hour ran the whole way up, and it barely did anything. Okay, so I'll be looking for a pullback down to this area down here, 0.0062, or right down here at 0.0058. Okay, and then we should start our next 5 waves up. But looking for a little bit of a possible stall out here. Okay, now some things to keep an eye on here. Let me put a trend line on here and see if we have a... Just see if we have a level here that we're keeping, you know, if these line up anywhere, but they really don't. No, nothing to really watch there. Okay, there you can see we were following this trend line up here, right here. Right about there is where it was. Okay, well, maybe right up here. Alright, and then we ended up falling down through that, came back, retested it now as a resistance. Alright, that's probably why we're going to get a pullback here also. Okay, usually if you're following a trend line up and that trend line breaks, you know, something else is happening. And if you're interested, guys, big shout out to the members for the trading classes. Things have been going well. A lot of people signing up, and I've been getting great reviews on them. Thank you so much, members. I really appreciate it. And $14.99. That's a level 3 membership. It's been going fantastic. So thank you so very much, guys. I got to give you guys a shout out because you know, you keep the channel going. You really do. And you get 15 videos, 8 hours worth of videos to learn how to do all this stuff, to read these charts, RSIs, support, resistance, everything. Okay, it's all in there, and it's been going great. So keep an eye on this thing, you know, for that pullback area. Okay, got very good support down here. Let me see where that 618 came in at, because you go from, we go out in the daily, you go from the swing low to the swing high, which the swing low would have been right there for the start of the move. Let's get it pretty perfect to the high. Alright, so yeah, it comes in a little bit down below that support area. So that's 618 or 702. Put your Fibonacci on there. Watch for a pullback to them areas. Okay, could mess around in here for a day or two before it comes down the whole way. You could end up getting a run up to, let's watch here. Let's take a look. You know, right back up to 702. And then ABC down here. Let me see if that would match up with anything. That would match up with a 786. Okay, that would end up looking like this if this turns into an ABC. If this runs back up to the 702 at 0.0083 and does not get through it, all right, the C leg would end up coming down to there. Right down here to 0.0057. Okay, so right in this area is where I am expecting this pullback to come down through. Right down through here, 618 to this area right here, right through here. Okay, I'll be keeping an eye on that, and then we should start back up. All right, guys, thank you so much. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you very soon, guys. Have a great night, everybody.